It is Washaholic Wednesday. I'm Mike Kinderleiter, the Dean of Power Wash. And today I want to talk to you about a little rust stain that I have here on some granite. We're going to remove it with some Rust Remover Plus. And anytime you use an acid product or anything, I always advise that you do a test spot in an inconspicuous area, so that if it has an adverse reaction with the color or with the surface of what you're trying to clean, you don't do it where the customer is going to see and have a problem with any potential damage that may happen. So anyway, I've already touched the granite with this, and we've got two spots here. I got a spot there, and a very slight one right here, possibly. So I'm just going to take this sample bottle of Rust Remover Plus, and it has this little pour spout on it that pops out. I'm going to pop it out here. Just going to treat this right on top of that spot, so I'm not putting a lot of product down. I'm going to do that one too. I think that might be a little spot there. You can see that one's already disappeared. That one's starting to disappear. This one's starting to disappear. And as these clear up, it's a very easy, as you can see, they're pretty much gone. We might try to agitate that one just a little bit. Yeah, that one's gone. This one's gone now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse the area real good so there's not any residual left. Just, I have an old rag, just pour some water on it and wipe that off. Pour some more water on there, wipe that one more time just to get it all off of there. And there you go. A small little rust remover job on some expensive stone. I actually happen to own this stone, so I can't say the customer's super happy, but a little job like that, you might be surprised for I think these little samples may cost 16 bucks or 20. I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember what we sell them for. But at any rate, you can do a lot of rust removal with this little bottle and probably pay for itself 100 times over. So that little cleaning job could probably easily charge 50 to 100 bucks for a customer. They're gonna be super happy because they don't have rust on their beautiful granite countertop anymore. So that's today's tip for me, Mike Kinderleiter, Dean of Power Wash, Powerwash University, Powerwash.com. If there's anything we can do for you, please give us a shout. And if you like this video, click the subscribe button and follow us. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Have a successful week.